First, open the application. Once it's open, click the Update Available button in the top right corner. The application will begin downloading the latest version and will automatically update itself. This may take a few moments, so just wait while the process completes. Once the update is finished, you'll notice that the application is now running the latest version. However, if you look at the MetaTrader connection status, you may see EA update required. This is completely normal. It's a built-in safeguard that prevents an older version of the Expert Advisor from connecting to a newer version of the software. It ensures both components stay compatible and work correctly. To resolve this, simply update your Expert Advisor to the latest version. You can download the latest Expert Advisor from either our Telegram channel or directly from our website. If you're using the website, scroll down until you find TradeSync, then click on it. On the download page, download the latest version of the Expert Advisor. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find separate versions for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Since I'm using MetaTrader 5, I'll click on the MT5 version. Now, copy to MetaTrader Experts folder or double-click the Expert Advisor to attach it to a chart, as you normally would. As soon as it's attached, you'll see that the software reconnects successfully. Let's quickly test it by sending a signal. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. Now, let's see what happens if we try using an older version of the Expert Advisor. Back in the software, the connection status changes to EA update required. If we attempt to send another signal, a message appears informing us that a newer version of the Expert Advisor is required. Simply click Get EA, and you'll be taken directly to the same download page on our website. From there, download the latest Expert Advisor, replace the old version, and you'll be ready to go. And that's all there is to updating through the built-in automatic update feature. Now let's look at how to update using the installer instead. First, visit the website and download the latest installer. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file and extract it. Open the extracted folder, then double-click the installer executable to begin the installation. Follow the installation steps until they're complete. If, after updating, the connection status still shows EA update required, don't worry. The updated Expert Advisor is already included inside the zip file you downloaded. Simply open either the MT4 or MT5 folder, depending on the version of MetaTrader you're using, and install the latest Expert Advisor onto your chart. Once you've done that, the software will reconnect normally. And that's it. Your software and Expert Advisor are now fully updated and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.